Hello everyone, my topic is Ancylostoma duodenale. Ancylostoma duodenale, known as human hookworm. It is an endoparasitic nematode inhabiting the small intestine of man. It enjoys wide distribution in the tropical and subtropical countries. It attaches to the human intestine, sucks in blood, lymph and tissue fluid and often causes ankylostomiasis or hookworm disease. Morphology. Adult hookworm has a slender and cylindrical body covered by cuticle. The body is somewhat curved with a hook-like anterior end. Mouth is not at the anterior tip but slightly pre-terminal and dorsal. The buccal capsule is armed with 4 hook-like teeth and 2 knob-like dental plates or cutting plates. With their help, hookworm attaches to the host intestine and punctures the intestinal mucosa and blood vessels. Life cycle. Life cycle of Ancylostoma is completed in man, an intermediate host being absent. Life cycle involves a few larva stages. Adult male and female undergo mating in the human intestine. Fertilization is internal inside the female. A female filled with fertilized eggs is called gravid female. Under favorable conditions of moisture, temperature, and oxygen, they complete their development in the soil. In about 48 days, the embryo in each egg hatches out a larva worm known as rhabditiform larva. It leads an active feeding and growing life for some time, undergoes 2 successive and in about week time transformed to the second larva worm known as filariaform larva. It feeds on organic debris and soil bacteria. Then it stops feeding and transforms to the third larva worm known as strongyliform larva. It can undergo further development only in man. Pathogenicity. Pathogenic effects and clinical symptoms may be produced both by the larvae and the adults of hookworms. The larvae may cause severe itching and the formation of vesicular rashes. These rashes burst open, giving chances for bacterial infection and ulceration. This condition is called ground itch or water sore. Adult hookworms in the intestine may feed on blood and body fluids and cause ancylostomiasis or hookworm disease. Heavy hookworm infection in children and growing young adults often causes retarded physical and mental growth, dizziness, insomnia, optical illusions, nervousness, etc.